Sometimes,
what
when you're not
names?
Nick and I can't think of the other one.
parents.
Rudy.
Rudy.
Nick and Rudy.
That's right.
So sometimes the parrots, when you're not here and nobody's around me, I said, well, I want a cracker, quack, quack, and they just answered it.
So then, why don't you have school tomorrow?
Because tomorrow is... I'm going to say it wrong.
Just say it. Say it the way you say it.
Gibber. Gibber.
It's a gibberish holiday.
It's a what?
Gibberish holiday.
What's a gibberish?
Will you guys say goodbye to Pops and Linda, okay?
Bye, Pops and Linda.
Bye, Pops and Linda.
That's
Say
right.
hi, Pops and Linda.